Hey, it's Obie. Guess what? I'm introducing a new lineup of tour series. Introducing multi-helicopter tours. That's right. Get ready to take your city exploration to new heights as we soar through the clouds and experience breathtaking views like never before. But wait, I almost forgot. It's April Fool's Day. And you know what that means. Time to sprinkle a little extra fun into our lives. Happy April Fool's Day, everyone. Let's keep the laughter soaring high. And remember, for anything real estate, just call Obie. Cheers.